If you discovered that a single sentence could make a woman's heart race and stay in her memory for years, would you still rely on ordinary compliments like, "You look beautiful," or "That's a nice dress"? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's topic, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If these videos help you better understand how women think, consider supporting the channel by leaving a like and subscribing. It only takes a few seconds, but it helps this content reach more men who can benefit from it. Now I have a question for you. Which city are you watching from today? I always enjoy reading your comments and seeing where everyone is tuning in from. It helps create a stronger and more connected community. Most men never realize just how much influence their words can have. Many believe attraction is based only on appearance, wealth, or social status, but the truth is far different. What truly leaves an impression is the way you make her feel. And that's where one of the most overlooked tools comes into play: a meaningful, well-delivered compliment. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how a woman's entire mood can shift because of something someone said to her? One carefully chosen sentence, delivered at the right moment with genuine intent, can completely change the way she sees you, not just for a few minutes, but for a very long time. Today, you'll discover 8 compliments that reach much deeper than surface-level praise. These aren't overused lines or empty flattery that makes you appear desperate. They're thoughtful compliments with real psychological depth that can make a woman feel genuinely understood, appreciated, and emotionally connected. Here's something most men never hear. If you constantly hand out generic compliments like "You're beautiful," "Nice outfit," or "You look amazing," you'll blend in with everyone else and quickly be forgotten. But when you understand the importance of timing, intention, and self-control, you begin to realize something essential. Real influence isn't just about the words you choose. It's about the emotion behind them and the way they make her feel. So if you're ready to stand apart from the crowd, become more memorable, and make a lasting impression, let's begin. Compliment number 1. The perfume you're wearing is amazing. It's unforgettable. A person's scent is one of the strongest triggers of memory and emotion. Within seconds, a fragrance can bring back an entire moment because it's closely connected to the part of the brain responsible for emotions. When you compliment her fragrance, you're saying much more than "You smell nice." You're communicating, "Your presence stays with me even after you've gone." That creates a much deeper emotional impact. Most men overlook details like this. The ones who notice them show attentiveness, awareness, and genuine presence. Compliment number 2. Your smile has a way of brightening every room. This isn't simply about physical features like lips or teeth. It's about the positive energy she brings wherever she goes. You're recognizing the emotional effect her presence has on other people. In other words, you're telling her, "You change the atmosphere just by being here." Compliment number 3. I really admire how genuine you are. You never pretend to be someone else. In a world where so many people wear masks, authenticity is rare. Instead of complimenting her appearance, you're appreciating who she truly is. You're saying, "I notice your real personality, and that's what impresses me." Compliment number 4. I really enjoy the way you think. Your perspective is unique, and it makes me see things differently. Now you're connecting with her mind rather than her appearance. You're showing appreciation for her ideas, her viewpoint, and the depth of her thinking, making the conversation far more meaningful. Compliment number 5. Your energy is contagious. It inspires me to become a better person. This is one of the most meaningful compliments you can give. You're not simply saying you like her. You're letting her know that her presence positively influences your life. Compliment number 6. You're incredibly thoughtful. It's obvious you genuinely care about the people around you. Here, you're recognizing her character rather than her looks. You're appreciating the way she treats others and the value she carries. Because it's in common, this compliment often leaves a stronger impression. Compliment number 7. I really admire your focus. Your determination is motivating. You're acknowledging her discipline, commitment, and willingness to work towards her goals. That speaks directly to something deeply connected to her identity. Compliment number 8. You have a natural ability to make people feel comfortable and appreciated. Here, you're recognizing her emotional intelligence and her gift for connecting